for Solana. Solana over the last 18 months grew exponentially with thousands of developers building applications used by millions of users. Solana is fast, we all know that. However, querying for data, blockchain data, more importantly, querying for meaningful data is not easy. Many developers here know that. While there are avenues to get access to raw data, for example, if you want to query for how many NFTs have been traded over the last week within a given price range, or what is the most traded trade of an NFT collection, there's no easy way to get this kind of data. At Concise Labs, we are building use case-driven APIs to expose index data that developers can use to build applications on top faster. Essentially, we are chewing glass for you guys, so you can have wine on us, right? To do the demo, we are actually planning to do a demo of a very interesting use case powered by one of our APIs. But before I call Ajay, the co-founder of Concise Labs, to do the demo, I would like to highlight that we are not only building the APIs, but we'll also expose our infrastructure for other developers to come and build APIs on top of it for use cases that you like to expose and interact with our index data. With that,
hello everyone, super excited to be here. Give me one slide. Okay, so without wasting any time, I'm going to straightly jump into the demo. So I come here, I enter a budget. This is in Sol. Let's say this is 1,000, and I put in a slippage and choose a collection, an NFT collection, whatever your favorite one is. You go in, select the collection, and what just happened, right? You are seeing 3 NFTs that we think are the best NFTs, which will give you the best return on investment, given your budget, right? So all these NFTs put together will be under 1,000 Sol. So what did we do? Like, how did we arrive at these NFTs? So we rely on our APIs to look at a variety of signals, like what was the floor movement, what was the rarity of an NFT, how many NFTs were listed, so, and a bunch of other variety of factors that go into computing a rank, and we showcase these NFTs here. So if you look at this is the collection floor price, the number of listings and the volume, things that has been traded. So this is for T-gods. We could also do this across collections. So these are the NFTs that our algorithm looked at across collections, not just Degen apes. So this example, you're just seeing Degen apes, but let me pick, let's say I gave 44, go, it's looking across collections, right? So to be able to do this, we essentially had to run our own validator. So let me quickly show you what we did to build this. Yeah. So very quickly, we have our validator nodes. This is because we want to listen to the events in real time. That pushes the data into our big table, and then we have our own plugins which make sense of the output data, and we will derive tables out of it. API layers. Right now we have a Graph API, GraphQL API, a REST endpoint that you can play with. And one of the applications that you can build, like this is an example that we just demo, right? So it's not limited to just these kinds of applications because they are APIs, they are powerful. As developers, you know, you can use them and build things. Yeah. So one last thing, we are also hiring, so please come join us. If you're excited, we are also planning a quick, very quickly, we are going to open it up for public beta. So very excited to share this with you. Thank you.